Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to unlock your Facebook account if it is locked. For example, if you try to log in into your account and it is saying that your account is locked, so how you can unlock your Facebook account. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general. So in general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for Facebook app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Facebook app. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply try to access your account. And if it is not working, then you have to simply search for a Facebook Help Center in your browser. So here you have to simply search for Facebook Help Center. And after that, you have to make sure that you click on the first link you are provided with. So you have to simply search for Facebook help here, and here you have to simply click on the link you are provided with, and you can simply ask for the solution from the Facebook support team that your account has been locked and you want to unlock your account. And after that, they will tell you and guide you in a better way that how you can simply unlock your account. So here you have to explain the problem to Facebook team, that what is the problem with your account, and you can simply explain them with the description. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.